make x the subject of the formula. When we look at this, we're looking at y is equal to x over, so if I just rewrite this, we have y is equal to x over 5 plus 3p. We want to make x the subject, which means that we want to isolate this and have x by itself. There are many things that you can do, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get rid of the 3p. So I'm going to get rid of this 3p here. So I'm going to subtract 3p from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 3p from both sides. So when we do that, we're left with y minus 3p, and that's equal to x over 5. Remember, the intention is that we want to make x the subject. Therefore, I want this to be isolated. It is being divided by 5, so we're going to multiply both sides by 5. Because this is two things here, I could just do this to it. So I put this in a bracket and then I multiply by 5. So this is going to cancel. And as you can see here, x is now left alone. So I could just rewrite this as x is equal to, and you could see 5, open bracket, y minus 3p. All right, so this question says here, solve the following equation by factorization. We were definitely forced to use factorization to come up with our answer. So basically, let's factorize the left side, right? So we have 2x squared minus 9x. What is the common factor here? The common factor we have here is x. So I'm going to take out my common factor, open a bracket. Then I'm going to divide each term by x. So when x is divided into 2x squared, I'm left with 2x. When x is divided into negative 9x, I'm left with negative 9. And this is equal to 0. At this time, I'm going to use that zero product rule. Two things are multiplied and we get a 0. It's either x that is a 0 or 2x minus 9 that is a 0. With this said, what I'm going to do now is that x is already 0. So now I'm going to solve this. All right, so I'm going to add 9 to both sides, as you can see here. So basically, 2x is equal to 9, right? 2x is equal to 9. So let us divide both sides by 2. So as you can see, x is equal to 9 over 2, or 4.5 if we wish. So again, x is equal to, my two answers are x is equal to 0, x is equal to 9 over 2. Those are the two answers. Let's go to the next. Good. So the question reads that a farmer wishes to enclose a rectangular plot with wire fence, right? The width of the plot is 3 meters less than its length, right? Given the area is 378, we wanna show that L squared minus 3L minus 378 is equal to 0. Now, remember the information we got. So here is the information. The information we got says here that the width is 3, all right, centimeters less than its length. So let us say I have a rectangular plot here, all right? Now, L is its length. The width is 3 less. So the width is going to be 3 less than the length. So if I represent the length with L, then 3 less means that I need to subtract 3 from L, and this would have given me my width. Now, the area was given as 378, and this is where the area, the entire thing is 378. So it's length times width. So let us do this. What we're saying is length times width will equal to 378. Let's distribute our L inside, so we'll have L squared minus 3L, which is equal to 378. We're trying to capture this format. So 0 must be on that side, so I'm going to subtract 378 from both sides, so we'll have L squared minus 3L minus 378, and this is equal to 0. And then we would have proven what they asked us to prove right there.